welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be installing and reviewing this gorgeous wig from RPGSHOW. This is their new Maxipart glueless lace closure wig and it's in the color mahogany brown. It's 20 inches and it is 200% density. Let's get straight into the installation. Today I'm using a new wig cap that's supposed to keep the wig in place, so we'll see how that works. But look at how beautiful this hair is and how beautifully pre-plucked the hairline is. This wig does come with the lace attached, so you will have to cut it. I personally recommend using a razor to cut it versus scissors so that you can get more of a jagged edge, but I didn't have any on hand, so I just went ahead and used my scissors. This is their Tinted 10x6 transparent Swiss lace, and as I mentioned, it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached and it has invisible knots. And this is how the unit looks after cutting off the lace. Since the unit came pre-curled, I decided to just sort of fluff out the curls and just wear it as it came with these like natural waves. You can do a side part, you could do a middle part. There's a lot of parting space with this cap construction, which I really love. As I mentioned, the wig is 20 inches and this is where it falls on me. I'm around 5'4" and it comes down to my lower back. So just showing you what comes in the box. It comes with a elastic band, a bag to hold your unit, a wig cap, and lace adhesive, which I didn't end up using, as well as flyaway tamer. If you're in the market to invest in a high quality wig, I always recommend RPGSHOW. I've worked with them for years now. They always do an amazing job with the color, the cap construction, and I never experience any shedding. So that pretty much concludes today's video, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in my next one.